Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change color display while using app on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app, locate and click on Recent. Click on the three dots at the top right, click on Settings. On the Settings page, locate and click on Color Display while using apps. Now here, you can choose full screen, small pop, or mini pop. Now what this does is, each time you have an incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and you don't want the call to disturb your device, then it should say the type of display like this. So this is the mini pop. Now if you want to use the small pop, just come here, select small pop, and then you should see the small pop like this. However, if you want to use full screen, come here and select full screen. Once you selected full screen, then hang on, and then you should see the incoming call full screen like this. And again, if you choose small pop-up or mini pop-up, you'll be able to turn on keep calls in pop-up. So after calls are answered, this is going to keep them on the pop-up. So if you have an incoming call and you choose mini pop-up or small pop-up, and then you choose to go ahead and answer the call on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, then the call is going to keep on the screen even when you pick up the call or the call is answered. So you can just use small pop-up or mini call if you want to keep the call on your screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G after they are answered. So that's exactly how to change call display while using apps on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.